Peace and blessings. Welcome to Dominance Mentality. My name is Sharon. God bless you, my brothers and sisters. God bless. Peace and blessings to all the viewers. I have a question for you. My question to my brothers and sisters is this. Who is living in your house? Who is living in your house? Who is controlling your mind? Who is ordering your steps? Who is living in your house? What is controlling your mind, your soul, your body? What is inside of you? What's inside you? Is it God using you, guiding you? Is it Jesus? And if it's Jesus, what Jesus? If it's God, which God? There's many gods that people believe in. There's many Jesus. Is it Jesus of the Bible, Jesus of the Quran? Is it the Messiah? Is it Jesus that was married and had children? Jesus that lived in Egypt? Is it Jesus that died and rose for your sins? The Jesus that didn't die? The Jesus that was Yeshua without the J? My question is, who is governing your mind? Who is governing your soul, your body? Ask yourself, who's living in your house? What type of mentality do you have? Is it a religious mentality, poverty mentality, slavery mentality? Because these mentalities, they hinder, they keep men and women from growth. So again, this is about self-observation. This is about self-realization. And I just want you to take that moral inventory and ask yourself, who is living in your house? What's living in your house? What is controlling you? Is it your spouse? Is it your relationship? Is it your kids? Is it money? Is it drugs, sex, lust, greed? What's living in your house? What's controlling this mind? What is causing you to do what you do, make the decisions that you make? What is in your house? What is living in your house? I recommend you clean out your house. Is your house so full that you can't receive something new? Clean your house. It's important to clean your house. Clean your house from any junk. Clean your house from any lies. Clean your house from deception. Clean your house from things that's been happening over and over and over again that you no longer want to happen. Get that out your house. Break those cycles. Get that out your house. It's time to clean your house, my brothers and sisters. Clean your mind. Clean your soul. Operate in this body effectively. Change your thinking, change your life. Change your mentality, change your reality. Let's have a dominance mentality. Peace and blessings, my brothers and sisters. Again, clean up that house. Make sure what's in your house is what's working for you. Make sure that you put the things in your house that's going to expand your house, better your house. Peace and blessings.